Yeah, me there again, my people. Once more, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Just I try to do a video as quick as possible. You see me? Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. And based on some words that at least one person said in the video, I got the understanding that police or law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica had been accused of shooting and killing two persons. Now, my people, I'm only going by some words that at least one person say in the video, viewers and subscribers. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes down to certain information about the video or the situation itself, some of the information them not confirmed to my knowledge. You understand me? So yes, this video I recorded within a community within the country of Jamaica. I'm going to present this video to you. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe, my people, and this is really and truly a sad topic.
The business where nobody wants to, brother. No business where nobody wants to, brother. And my two innocent friend then kill better than they kill bad man. Every day in the community island, over there so go and know innocent youth them. When they lock up the bad man them already, why they come back and kill you them for? Eh? When they lock up the bad man them already, why they come back and kill you them for? I trigger up the police them here, youth. You all are trigger up the police. When you feel a close youth, a roadside and if they are the badness. When you look for you all on the spend shell them and cover on the trap. And nobody no fire no shot off on them. Boy. Only there, brother, let me tell you what go on. I come and just for murder man them. Then you then get information. Then nobody them alone a fire shot from away. And them alone, I trigger up the boy them here. I swear to God, every day they come check out the place. They lock up the man them over there already. I told you come baby over there. Two you come and they say on a jeep. One just have one baby. We are 17. One is 17 and just have one young baby. The first one them put in a jeep. The last one, a bollocks in evil. Man did not work brother. And a wicked thing them do. Wicked.
Yeah,
see wicked man them, yeah? Jesus. Be a wicked man. Be a wicked man. See them, yeah? Yo, my uncle, see wicked man them, yeah? Be a wicked man them, yeah, my uncle. See them, yeah? Killing innocent youth. See them, yeah? Every one of them fire shot in a youth. Respite. Say a shootout. Every one of them fire shot. Why? Oh, yeah, man, feel a shootout in a house and none of them get shot. Oh, no, I don't say, you can't trick people. We don't see what go on. We can't trick people. Sure we gun. Sure we gun. Where dog them a fire. Gonna kill them. Sure we gun. Me a video you. Oh, Popsy. Oh. Me a video you. You especially. Him with the gloves. Him especially running the empty out thing in a you. Him. All of them a murderer. All of them a murderer to a young youth. One just get a young baby and murder them. So when you go and find out and see say youth them innocent, you know how to go melt if you don't have none. You know how to go beat you if you don't have none. You know how to go beat you. Yeah, but my video. The boy my video him too. Him. We are going on a station and the whole of them video. All of them video we are going to quote with. Every single one. Every single video. See man a video bomber. Get see man a video bomber and hold up on the man. Get see man a video bomber and hold up on the man. Oh, Lego man, Lego man, the brother. If you touch it, Lego man, the brother. Hey, come right. No, don't run.
May I tell you, my people, it's sad. It just really and truly sad, you know. Loss of lives and all them things. May I tell you, my people, really sad. You see, the thing about it is that me see another video about the situation. Me also saw pictures as well to viewers and subscribers, and you know, the other video that I saw shows well, I would say bodies. You know what I mean? And the pictures them actually shows bodies as well. When I say, I tell you the truth, it's really and truly sad. You know what I mean? I tell you, it's set away. See, it really and truly set away. So yeah, my people, you can tell me what you think about a situation like that. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Based on some words that a person said in this video, I got the understanding that the person talk about what some people might call prison system. See? Basically, I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me if you hear any form of injustice and or corruption when it comes on to some words that the person said in this video. You can also tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person said in this video as well, my people. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Hello Trinidad and Tobago, my name is Dwayne Romani. I am a prisoner of the state since 2008. I have been allocated to this Eastern Correctional Rehabilitation Center, Pinto Road South, Santa Rosa, Rima, since the 17th of June 2022 by the Commissioner of Prison, Mr. Diopasado Amuta. He claims that I have been making unlawful communications with the police, with the state, without his permission. This is why I've been brought here, to prevent me from getting phones, still accessing phones, because there's corruption in the system. Officers bringing phones in the jail, officers bringing weed in the jail. There is part of the drug trade, there is part of the illicit acts that stemming from jail and in jail. I am joining the state in the fight against crime. I have the state fight crimes being committed in and from jail. It's called the police, it's called the Ministry of National Security. If I have to, if I see a threat lurking, that is a threat to any civilian out there, anybody, I step in. They have me under separation because they're trying to put this dark cloud over my life. You know, that officers are reporting back to prisoners and carrying information. But the reason why I'm here is because the commissioner don't want me to report the things that I see on the ground. Drug trafficking, the murders, the shots, witness intimidation. I'm against these things. I'm from Parliament, I never involve myself in no crime. I end up in jail because I get in a fight with a man in 2008, pull a knife from me, and he and I end up in a scuffle. He ended up succumbing to his wounds, and this is why I'm in prison right now. I don't do crime, I just season man. I just singer, songwriter, a clothing designer. As everybody will get to realize soon come, right? But the reason why I'm making this video is to let you know this ECRC prison is a hellhole. It have nothing going on here. You hear the name of the building, Eastern Correctional Rehabilitation Center. There's not a single rehabilitation program going on here. It is a prisoner's right to see their chaplain. No church services for prisoners. They're restricting men from airing, they're restricting men from any kind of recreational program to make a man a better man. There's lick shine here. Recently they come and they beat up men, they send out they are kind of task force team, mass men with gun. They come and they're beating up prisoners, they're advantaging prisoners of the state. And I'm making this video to get the police involved, to get the Minister of National Security involved, the media involved. Let the public know what's going on. I have a lot of information that I want to pass. I want to pass out earlier to let them know what's going on in the system. Cigarettes selling for $100 for one in the jail. You understand? A small weed bag like a matchstick head selling for $50 in the jail. Men, prisoners making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they're using the money to buy arms and ammunition and to fuel the criminal activities in fuel out there. This is what's going on. And I'm a patriot. I see myself as a patriot. Even though I'm in prison, I stand against criminal activities. I love my country. I love my people. And once you're doing the right thing and people trying to interfere with you, I will stand against those persons. Try my best, because what you want me to do? Be in jail and be a criminal, be part of the problem. I'm not part of the problem. So I hear this morning, they have me in this building here, over a year now. No rehab, all my constitutional rights have been stripped from me. And I'm making this video to let you know, you see how when the government closed, I was a convicted prisoner. No school, no church, no rehabilitation, no kind of recreation. Suppressing my life because they're trying to kill me in jail. Right? Because they find that I causing officers to get locked up, or I interfere with the drug business. So I'm making this video, right? I write out some things here that I wanted to know, right? This is a disclosure of the valid complaints being brought against Mr. Diopasado Amuta, the Acting Commissioner of Prisons, Prison Programs Executive, and the administrative staff at ECRT Prison. This is their explanation of their deliberate and malicious breaches of my constitutional and human rights as a convicted inmate. And I seek compensation and strict disciplinary action against all culpable parties. 1. Without a legitimate or actual charge being preferred against me, I am being maliciously and unfairly kept isolated on an established COVID-19 quarantine station and division. At the said ECRC prison, excessively over the regulated period, all other prison inmates are kept, being 14 days, at an undue health jeopardizing exposure. This is cause for mental distress and trauma, and a brazen threat to my life as a complainant. 2. Being unfairly and maliciously refused the right to access all state-provided prisoner rehabilitation programs at the said prison, which is something that the state encourages prisoner rehabilitation, and which the courts of justice use as a gauge of assessment in consideration of a prisoner's pre-release. This action by the accused agents of the state is grossly unfair to any detained person and a brazen interference to the court assessment of a prisoner. This is hindrance of requisite prisoner rehabilitation and provision of justice. My equal opportunity has been denied. 3. Being unfairly and maliciously kept in strict solitary confinement without warrant at the debated prison, at a mental strain and pressuring into depression. Severe trauma caused by this abuse of authority. The Oxford Dictionary states that solitary confinement is the isolating of a prisoner in a separate cell as a form of punishment. Psychiatric evaluation was done on me on January the 18th this year at MSP by senior Dr. Dominic Nokolo, and recommendations in respect to my recreation was made, which has been ignored by the prison up to this time. 4. No form of mental strain alleviation provided for me specifically and maliciously at the debated prison during my extensive time here. No television, no radio, no library books, no newspapers, no board games, no nothing. 5. Being blatantly and spitefully refused the regulated diet for all inmates in amount and weight. No fruits. Imagine no fruits provided in this building since I come here last year. Right? The dietitian's regulated guidelines for prisoners' diet are being stubbornly ignored by the accused parties. 6. Being spitefully denied access to all religious programs for inmates, as is my right to access a chaplain, and at a gross violation of my religious rights as a detained believer in the Christian doctrine. My not being allowed to fellowship with common believers as is usual in the Christian faith, and which frequently occur in the state's prison. This is sacrilegious treatment. 7. Maliciously not being allowed to write letters to the state, my family, or anyone.
Alright, people, me never really and truly want to say nothing while the person has say certain words. Yeah? So I say no, because I want you to hear those words that the person say in the video. And in my point of view, I think that the person introduced himself in a proper way. That's in my point of view. Yeah, the introduction and so forth. So I say, whether be accurate or not, the introduction there is still. So I say, now the thing about it is, my people, so when it comes down to prison, and this is where me think good suffer for the bad. I mean, no say, well, me not go say no. In my point of view, you have people who somehow end up in a prison wrongfully. Sometimes it's good for listen, observe, don't be too quick to judge, and try and understand a person's point of view, because you may never know. You may never know. A person can be innocent and they're in a prison, as well as the other way around, meaning that the person guilty of the prison. But tell me what you think about those words that the person saying in that video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.